and the cause is listed second, right?
Yeah.
But in the order that it happened, such as I drank water because I was thirsty, they were thirsty first, they drank water second, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at some examples from the story to figure out which ones were causes and effects. Remember to raise your hand if I ask a question. There are two sentences here. One says, tiny drops of warm water rise and form clouds. Then the other sentence says, the sun warms the water. The question down here is, what is the cause? Is the cause the tiny drops of water rise and form clouds? Or is the cause the sun warms the water? This one's hard. You have to be paying attention. Jasper?
The sun warms the water.
You think it's the sun warms the water. Let's check.
Yeah.
The sun warms the water. And because the sun warms the water, tiny drops of warm water rise and form clouds. Good job. What about this one? The clouds cool down. Energy falls as rain. What is the effect? What happened second? Jace?
Energy falls as rain.
You want to check it? He thinks that it's energy falls as rain. Good job. So that means the cause is the clouds cool down. So because the clouds cool down, energy falls as rain. What about here? Cassie, sit down, please. Humans stop the flow of water forming a dam. Sun's energy is trapped. Which one happened first? Which one happened first, Xander?
Humans stop the flow of water forming a dam.
Good. Humans stop the flow of water forming a dam. The sun's energy is trapped. So because the humans stop the flow of water, the sun's energy is trapped, right? Sit down. What about this one? Causing energy to spin into generators to make electricity. Wind pushes blades of turbines around and round. What's the cause? Or sorry, what's the effect? What happens second? Grayson? Jeremiah? The first sentence, you think causing energy to spin into generators to make electricity? Let's look at this. Wind pushes blades of turbines round and round, causing energy to spin into generators to make electricity. Which of these do you think happened first? You think the second one happened first, so then this one had to be the effect. Good. Causing energy to spin into generators to make electricity. That happened because wind pushes blades of turbines round and round. Energy helps build the leaves and stems. Green plants catch light. Which happened first? What's the cause? Gowan?
Energy helps build leaves and stems.
Energy helps build leaves and stems. Let's look. Oh, look. Green plants catch light. And because they catch light, that energy helps the green leaves build stems and leaves. Or the green plants build stems and leaves. Does that make sense? So the plants are out there catching light, and they start little teeny tiny, right, in a seed. Okay, so as the sun beams down on them, they grow taller and taller, and they get stems and leaves. So can they have stems and leaves if the sun's not beating down on them and the green plants are catching light? No, so that has to happen first, right? What about this one? We're looking for the effect. Plants died millions and millions of years ago, causing coal to form. What happened second? What happened second? Macy? You think causing coal to form? Good. Plants died millions and millions of years ago, and because of that, coal formed. Does that make sense? Okay. Good job, guys.
Yay. Are we done with the swim game?
We are not done with the swing game. We will end the swing game after we do your grammar.